Looking to start a business without making or selling products? Rental businesses could be your perfect opportunity. From cars to party equipment, rentals are in high demand because people prefer using things temporarily instead of buying them. In this video, we'll explore 25 highly profitable rental business ideas you can start and scale. Let's dive in. 1. Car rental business. Car rentals are always in demand, whether for travelers, professionals, or people needing a temporary vehicle. You can start with a few cars and grow your fleet as demand increases. Offering affordable pricing, good maintenance, and online booking can make your business stand out. With the rise of tourism and business travel, this industry promises steady income and scalability. 2. House rental business. Owning property and renting it out is one of the most reliable ways to earn passive income. From long-term tenants to short-term stays on platforms like Airbnb, rental homes offer flexibility and strong returns. Choosing the right location is key. Near universities, offices, or tourist attractions can maximize profits. The best part, your asset value grows while generating monthly income. 3. Party rental business. From weddings to corporate events, parties require tables, chairs, tents, lights, and decor. A party rental business offers everything people need for their big day without buying. This business has high margins because one-time investments can be reused for years. Partnering with event planners and providing packages can help you secure recurring clients. 4. Soft play rental. Soft play rentals are perfect for kids' birthday parties and daycare centers. Parents love safe, fun setups with slides, ball pits, and foam mats. You can offer delivery, setup, and pickup, making it convenient for families. With growing demand for children's entertainment, this niche business can generate consistent bookings, especially on weekends. 5. Storage and warehouse space rental. With e-commerce booming and people constantly moving, storage space is in huge demand. From mini storage lockers to full warehouses, businesses and individuals need extra room. Renting out storage units provides steady, long-term income with minimal daily involvement. If you own and use land or buildings, this is a perfect way to turn them into cash flow. 6. Equipment rental business. Construction companies, photographers, and even DIY enthusiasts often need expensive equipment for short-term use. Instead of buying, they rent. Whether it's power tools, cameras, or heavy machinery, equipment rentals bring high returns. The trick is to keep your inventory well-maintained and updated. Once set up, this business can serve multiple industries and generate big profits. 7. Limousine rentals. Luxury never goes out of style. Limousine rentals are in high demand for weddings, proms, corporate events, and VIP travel. Clients are willing to pay premium rates for comfort and class. By offering different packages, hourly, daily, or event-based, you can maximize earnings. Marketing through wedding planners and event organizers can give your limo business a steady stream of customers. 8. Bounce house rental. Kids' parties are incomplete without bounce houses. These inflatable play structures are fun, safe, and highly rentable. With a small investment in a few units, you can quickly build a steady weekend business. Offering themed bounce houses, like superheroes or princess castles, can give you a competitive edge. Families often book months in advance, ensuring reliable income. 9. RV rental business. RV travel is becoming a trend as families and adventurers explore the open road. Buying a few RVs and renting them out can bring huge returns, especially during holiday seasons. Platforms like Outdoorsy and RVshare make it easy to list and rent your vehicles. This business combines adventure with profit, attracting tourists and explorers alike. 10. Trending photo booth rentals. Magic Mirror 360 Photo Booth has become a must-have for weddings, parties, and corporate events. They're fun, engaging, and create unforgettable memories. A single booth setup with props and instant prints can earn you hundreds per event. The best part, once purchased, they require minimal maintenance. Offering customizable backdrops and digital sharing options can give your service an extra edge. 11. Baby gear rental. Traveling parents don't always want to carry strollers, cribs, or car seats. That's where baby gear rentals come in. You can supply safe, clean, and high-quality items for families on vacation. Partnering with hotels, Airbnb hosts, or travel agencies can help you reach customers easily. This is a growing niche with steady demand from tourists and new parents alike. 12. Party bus rental. A party on wheels. Party bus rentals are popular for birthdays, weddings, proms, and nightlife events. With music, lighting, and luxury seating, these buses provide a unique experience. Customers are willing to pay premium rates for fun group travel. By targeting event planners, bachelor parties, and corporate groups, you can build a business that thrives year-round. 13. Jet ski rental. Water sports are always in demand in coastal and tourist destinations. Jet ski rentals are a high-profit business, especially during peak seasons. They attract adventure seekers looking for fun rides on the water. With proper safety training and insurance, you can run this business successfully. Add options like guided tours and your rental service can stand out. 14. Clothing rental. Instead of buying expensive outfits for one-time use, people are now renting. From designer dresses to tuxedos and even cultural wear, clothing rental saves customers money while keeping them stylish. Offering online booking, delivery, and cleaning services makes this business highly attractive. With fashion trends constantly changing, this industry is only set to grow. 15. Boat rentals. Whether for fishing, leisure cruising, or private parties, boat rentals attract both tourists and locals. You can rent small boats, yachts, or luxury charters depending on your investment level. Seasonal demand is high, especially in beach towns and lake destinations. Adding extra services like guided tours or fishing packages can increase your earnings significantly. 16. Golf cart rentals. Golf carts aren't just for golf courses anymore. They're in demand at resorts, festivals, campuses, and large events. Easy to maintain and fuel efficient, they make short-distance transport simple. You can rent them by the hour, day, or event. This business has low operational costs and can bring consistent income if you target the right markets. 17. Flower wall rental business. Perfect for weddings, birthdays, and photo shoots, flower walls create stunning backdrops. Instead of buying expensive setups, people prefer renting. You can design reusable flower walls, artificial or preserved, that look luxurious and elegant. With the boom in Instagram-worthy events, this business is growing fast. Offering delivery, setup, and customization ensures repeat bookings. 18. Fishing equipment rental. Fishing enthusiasts and tourists love the experience, but often lack the gear. Renting out rods, reels, tackle boxes, and even boats can make this niche business highly profitable. Adding guided fishing tours or day packages creates extra income streams. With good locations near lakes, rivers, or coastal areas, fishing rentals are a fun and rewarding business. 19. Costume rental. From Halloween to themed parties, theater shows, and school events, costume rentals never go out of style. Instead of buying costumes for one-time use, people love renting unique outfits. Offering a wide variety, superheroes, historical, cultural, or fantasy, can attract different age groups. Seasonal spikes around holidays mean this business can bring consistent profits year after year. 20. Ski and snowboard rental business. Winter tourism is massive, and many travelers prefer renting skis, snowboards, and gear instead of buying. Setting up shop near ski resorts can bring in huge seasonal profits. You can offer packages that include boots, helmets, and clothing. With good quality equipment and safety standards, this business ensures happy customers and repeat rentals each season. 21. Drone photography rentals. Drones are expensive, and not everyone wants to buy one for occasional use. Renting drones for photography, filmmaking, real estate shoots, or events is a booming business. Offering training or licensed operators adds extra value. With high demand from professionals and hobbyists, drone rentals can bring big profits with relatively low daily maintenance. 22. Camping equipment rental. Camping gear like tents, sleeping bags, cooking stoves, and backpacks can be expensive. Travelers and outdoor lovers prefer renting instead of buying. Offering clean, durable, and ready-to-use gear ensures repeat customers. Partnering with campgrounds, travel agencies, or adventure clubs can boost bookings. This business is ideal in tourist areas with natural attractions. 23. Sports equipment rental business. From bicycles to surfboards, kayaks, or tennis rackets, sports equipment rentals serve tourists, athletes, and schools. You can specialize in one sport or offer a wide range. Seasonal demand is high, especially in tourist destinations. With proper inventory and safety checks, this business can generate steady income while promoting an active lifestyle. 24. Forklift rentals. Businesses often need forklifts for short-term projects like warehouse moves, construction jobs, or logistics tasks. Buying is costly, so renting is the smarter choice. By maintaining a fleet of forklifts, you can cater to companies needing flexible solutions. This B2B rental business offers high returns and long-term contracts with repeat clients. 25. Bike rental business. With eco-friendly travel becoming popular, bike rentals are thriving in cities, parks, and tourist spots. From mountain bikes to e-bikes, you can cater to locals and tourists alike. Offering hourly, daily, or weekly rentals makes this business flexible. Add GPS-guided tours or delivery options to stand out from competitors and boost earnings.